Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make a twist on the brunch classic, the Bloody Mary, and make it with our very first flavored vodka that we released, Absolut Peppar. So we're gonna do the Absolut Peppar Bloody Mary. Don't forget to like and subscribe, fam. And I'm talking to you, mate, right? You. The black peppercorn that's flavored in the Absolut Pepper, that spiciness is spot on, just the right level of spice that I want. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take our Peppar vodka and slap that straight in. I'm gonna make 2 drinks here, so I'm gonna be doubling up, so that's 45 mils per drink. Next, the rest of these ingredients you can actually add to taste, but I'm just gonna do like a basic recipe for you. Worcestershire Sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2 dashes per drink. We're gonna take some good hot sauce, and we want 3 dashes per drink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next up, we wanna season this a little bit. So we're gonna take some good salt. Maybe we wanna like, so 2015. And then we want some cracked black pepper. Both the salt and the pepper you can add to taste, but if you start with a pinch, you can work your way backwards or forwards. Next, we're gonna take tomato juice, whatever you wanna call it. You may wanna use fresh tomatoes and make your own juice. You may wanna buy some from the shop. You may wanna go super bougie and use some passata. Doesn't matter. Liquid tomato is what you need. And we're gonna add roughly about 75 mils per drink. So that's... There we go. Now you saw on the previous Bloody Mary video, we're gonna do a technique called rolling. So that's exactly what we're gonna do here. Gonna add the ice to the shaker, and then we're just gonna simply, all we're doing here is just chilling down the drink. We don't want too much dilution. We want that intense flavor. Now we're just gonna fill our glasses with ice. Take our Hawthorne strainer. Then we're just gonna pour our Mary in. So we're gonna garnish now. We're gonna take 1 stick of celery for both these drinks. We're gonna chop it off there, chop it there. A couple of celery sticks in there to garnish. Let's just throw a lemon wedge in there as well. Just in case someone wants a little bit more lemony goodness in their drink. So there we have it, guys. Absolut Peppar Bloody Mary. You ain't gonna get a better drink at brunch than this.